It's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? It's still the new year, so I'm gonna still say Happy New Year. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna do some Madam Glam, and I have some short square nails because I just feel like sometimes I don't give enough love to the short nails, especially when I'm growing my own. So I'm going to use Merry Berry and Celestial Green because I'm still waiting for the new collection. So I wanted to just like use these two colors together because I thought they went amazing with this. Now this wasn't from this last year's advent calendar. It was from the year before. Best year ever. And the colors in here, I really feel like I can see the green and I can see the, that berry color. So I want to incorporate them, and I want to do some sweater nails on some of them. I am going to put a little bit of this Merry Berry probably on this side. Let's start on this side, and then we're going to put some of that Celestial Green on this side, and we're just going to ombre the two together. And honestly, they look so beautiful together. And I'm just going to keep doing that until that line essentially disappears. Okay, so this is the second coat. I am just going to do the same. Just add in a bit of pressure because I know I have that bottom base. So it's nice. So here are how the nails are looking. I had painted this one Celestial Green, obviously, and I was going to say, yeah, Merry Berry. Oh my gosh, I'm thinking of the lady Merry Berry. And I used touches of gold top coat on these two, and I just used a normal no white top coat on these other two nails. This one here, I'm thinking I'm going to do best year ever. So we're going to have that one like full glitter basically. And I think it looks nice to just have it on that sheer nail because the other colors are so rich. I will put some of this on the other two nails, you'll see in a minute. But I might just do 2 thin coats of this on this clear nail because I just think, the colors just really go together. So I'm doing a sweater design using that Celestial Green, and I did put a tiny little bit of clear acrylic in there. Now I don't know how much more of a difference it makes, but I do know I want it quite embossed. So I am going to use some nailart top coat on top of the embossed design because you can. Now there was a lady a little while ago, shout out to Trish Does Nails, and she did it, and you can, and it just makes it look like a satin effect. Now I like the embossed effect as well when, say for instance, the nails are matte, because I think, you know, it just blends and ties in. Thank you all so much for watching. Here are how the nails look. I'm absolutely loving these two colors, Celestial Green and Mary Berry. Beautiful. And just that addition of that best year ever, can you see? I think, you know, it all goes well together. We put a little bit there just to, you know, share the love. But this is what they look like. Thank you all. Bye.